Okay, so now that the legs are completed, I'm going to show you how to whip stitch the body closed. To do this, I'm going to go ahead and remove these 2 center stitches that marked where we were putting our legs. I've already added my daring needle to this yarn tail that we left from adding the second leg. And all you're going to do is just close the center of the body. So I'm going to do this by whip stitching it closed, going from one side to the other, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to go back through the other side. I'm going to tie a knot here just to make sure this doesn't come undone. So I'm just going to go back through that. And then I'm going to weave my yarn back through the body